Welcome back to another exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I'm righty, I am lefty. Looky, we're getting more room on the patio. We moved the table to the backyard. But look what we've been doing, folks. We finished off what we're going to do with the fencing of the other lot, right over here. I've left a gap here, a little bigger than I probably should have, but I've left a gap here for the tractor and stuff, whatnots to be able to go in and out. But we got all the way around here, and we got all the way around over here to the corner there. That's our driveway on this lot. And we're here, look here, farmer style. Chained it across there. This is where the motorhome goes in and out, and then it goes all the way to the corner over there, and all the way to the fence over there, way over there. So yeah, keep cutting through our lot. Not going to happen anymore, Chief. So anyways, hey, if you know anybody that needs a doghouse, come and get it. It's right there. Squirrel. There's a dingo right there. It's a dingo puppy. Cute dingo puppies make me famous. Have to give thumbs up now. You have to subscribe because it's a dingo, and dingoes make you famous. I'm gonna turn this over. Don't mind if I do. See, cute dingoes make you famous. Say good day, mate. Good day, dingo. Look at him run. Here's our big monster air conditioner and furnace. They're all built into the one unit right there. There's a table we just moved. There's the mama. I went the wrong way, so I have to settle that and center it up under there.
Yeah.
Over there. It's off. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I'm going to try. Look out for the dog shit. I can't see under there. Swing and miss, it sounds like.
Nope, no.
Watch out for the dog shit.
Yeah,
There's a fucking tractor that broke and it fixed. And here we are, back. No smoking is not allowed except in specially designed areas. I did not put that up there. I quit smoking, what, 2 years ago now? But I did not put that up there. Welcome back to the studio. We're going to finish. Wow. We're going to finish doing the framework on our Pelican. Remember our Pelican right here? We're going to finish doing the framework on him. We went got a 1x2. See, it's going to sit on there like that. I'm going to let these lights try to warm up a little bit. I don't know why they're kind of laggy. They'll brighten up in a minute. I'm going to take a quick break. We'll be back and we'll lay this bad boy out. I got my nail gun. And circle saw is right there. You remember Mr. Circle Saw right there. And Mr. Oh boy. Do you see it anywhere? Got a straight edge, that's okay. Oh, it's over here. It's in here. Mr. Marker is right here. Okay. Okay, so I'll see you back here. We'll get working on this when these warm up just a touch. And I gotta change this trash can. I got a bigger one. I'm gonna throw that away and change out the garbage can while we're at it. See you in a second. Okay, folks, we're back. Yes, we're back in the studio. Here we are. We got our piece of 1x2. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit down. What I'm gonna do, these guys are pretty much done. I'm just gonna move these guys. As you can see, they're not falling off. These guys are pretty much done. Putting these up here. What I want to do is I'm going to measure. I can't show you. I'm going to measure this part. Can't show you. Can't show you. This part here. Like this. For the overhang, it's going to be this thickness. I'm going to go a little long on the top and on the bottom. This is, I'm going to say 3/4 of an inch-ish. I'm going to be sanding when I get done anyway. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to come 3/4 of an inch past here, right? Just like that, okay? And we're going to come down here. Can you see where I'm at, the come down here part? Yeah, you can, okay. And I'm going to go 3/4 of an inch on this side. 3/4 of an inch on this side past, and be right there. So that mark is, wow, it's exactly 23 inches almost. 22 inches, and I'm just going to call it 23. Just before 23. So I want to call it right there. Now I'm going to get my little straight edge, what we had up here last time. Draw me a little mark right here. And, see? And then, since that's 23 straight on, I'm going to cut it first, and then I'm going to make 2 of these, okay? You've already seen the circle saw part, so I won't bother you with that. But I'm going to zap this. I'm going to zap this off here and make another one, and then we'll do the sides. I'll be right back. Okay, folks, we just got done with our zappy zaps. We have 2 pieces, 23 inches long. These are going to be sitting on the top like this, see, and on the bottom like this. That way our little butt joint is just going to be seen from the side, which won't be too big a deal. Now what I want to do is going to take our extra piece, leftover piece of wood, right? And we are going to mark us off how wide we need these little bad boys to be. Right about there it looks to be. Okay, double check. Looks pretty good. So however wide this is, if I can get back here, move that up out of the way again. Let's see how long this came out. Looks to be 12 7/8. Okay, take that, make us a little straight, liney line here. And this is a 1x2, 8 feet long, folks, to do this size. And you're not going to have much left over. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and zap these, 2 of these, and we'll come back and we'll shoot the nails to this bad boy. Yes, okay. See you in just a second. Get down here a little bit more. There, we're back. Alright, so I've cut my 2 sides. Got the top and the bottom here. Now, I've got my nail gun here, my little finishing nailer. And what I'm going to do, I believe, I'll butt these up here against that for some support. Just like so. I'm going to turn my finishing nailer on, unlocking. Let's see if I can zap a nail or 2 into this. Right here like this. Uh-oh. Right here like this. No, I want them squared. I'm working on it. Not lined up. But like, we'll see what happens. But like this here. And it moved, but hey, I'll take it. I just bent it. We'll get it figured out. Let me see if I can square it up again. Nah, that ain't going to do it, is it? I can't drive it back. Well, wait, it's kind of going. I don't have a hammer with me. No, I'm going to try to get rid of this. That's a mistake. It wasn't tight enough. Okay. Okay. I'm going to try this again. I do have a pair of pliers. Somehow or another. How about that for cool? So I can pull this one out. Yeah, that's come right out of there. Alright. I got to try to get it where I can hold it somewhat flush to itself here. It actually should be going this way. Here we go. Alright, let me try a shot this way. Folks, we're going to figure this out together, okay? I don't have fancy jigs or anything like that. If I can blast one into here, and one into there, look what we got. We got this corner, look. Alright, I'm going to call that close enough. Maybe try to bend it just a touch while I can fine tune it. This side might be actually able to shoot. Oh God. Okay, well, maybe I lied. I'm not sure. That's going to sit like that. So if I can blast one in here. Not too shabby, huh? Alright. Something like this. We got our top. We'll put our top piece across chaw, like so. In fact, I want to flip it where it fits the flushest. And I'm going to drive a nail through these. Right there. Right here. Right. That's pretty nice. I'll line them up on this side and we'll flip them around. We'll line them up over here on this side somewhat. Hit them again. And again. We go. Now we've got our Now we've got our we've got our frame is slightly tight all of a sudden for some reason. Where am I off? I'm off a little bit right here. Okay, see if I can bend this loose and wiggle it out a little bit. I should be able to flex it out of here, make it fit. I'm going to work on that for a second. We'll get it on there, folks. Stick with me. I'll get it on there. Just give me a second. I just took a little bit of twisting action like this. Or like this. And a couple of these. It's on there. So, we've got our frame on here. We'll push this back up against here again. Now remember, we've got 3/4 inch plywood beneath these tiles. So hopefully, I should be able to shoot along the bottom here and hit that plywood without hitting the tiles. Like that. Just run right along the bottom, underneath, kind of angled down a bit, like so. One here, and one here. Right? Now I'm going to spin it around. We're going to do the same thing on this side, just inside of our seam. Bang! One about here. Yep, one about here. One about here. One about here. One about here. Just like that. Spin them around like this. We're going to do outside edges. Zap one right about, oops. Right about, Zap one right about down here. Get in here a little bit. One about here. One about here. Like that. I'm going to shoot another bottom one in this one. Like that. Just tighten him up. And spin him around again. Shoot some here. One about here. One about here. Just popping them in here. Okay. Shoot another bottom one here. I'm going to shoot another one on the side over here. Like so. I got one little nail here. Didn't want to cooperate quite all the way. See, a couple of them came through, but that's okay. That's the back of the picture. I don't care. I could trim these off. Well, actually, a bunch of those missed. I don't know how. Okay, let's try this again. A bunch of these ones missed. See if those hit their mark. Yes, they did. Okay. These hit their mark mostly, so that's good. I'm not going to worry much about that or these. They're on the back. That looks like pretty much the way to go, huh? There you have it, folks. See, it's all framed up. It's got a little inset. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some little rope, and I'm going to come around the inside edges of this. And I got to sand off, you know, to make it smooth. A little sanding, but there you have her. She's done. Saying, ready to go. One framed up pelican. The eagles I'm not going to frame. I'm not going to worry about them. They're fine. Because like I said, they're small, they're light. I'll put a couple of screws in there. I'll probably color this black around here. Put some screws in it. A little piece of wire, call it a day. There you have it, folks. The second half of our ceramic crafting project. Now we have a nicely framed pelican. Once I get it sanded, you don't need to watch all that. You know how to run sandpaper. You go like this. Like that. So, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I will make a playlist and put them together. And that's our episode for today. It's getting really muggy. It's supposed to storm this afternoon. But for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. Yes, I know this looks like crap. I'm going to paint, okay? Just give me time. But I'm BLG, I'm Lefty, and I am Artie. We will see you guys right back, cha, for the next exciting episode. Hit that subscribe button for me. Doesn't mean you have to watch every episode. Just do me a little favor. It's right down there. Click it. Yes, I appreciate the new subscribers that have come on recently. It means a lot to me, folks. So, we'll see you next time, guys. Bye now. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.